Hello students, last lecture we learned the uses of the index number in economics, and I completed. Here are the 5 points of the uses of the index number in economics. Today we are going to start the explanation about the construction of index number. The constructions of index number explained here. There are the 7 points of the index number. The first one, purpose of index number. Second, selection of the base year. Number third is selection of unit. Number fourth, selection of price quotation. Number fifth is the choice of suitable averages. Number six, assigning proper weight. And number seven, selection of an appropriate formula. Now I explain the first point of construction of index number is purpose of index number. The purpose of index number, it is constructed the purposefully and specific of the measurement of economic variable and give the proper and the best achievement goals and fruitful result. The purpose for the constructing the index number, its scope as well as which variable is intended to be measured should be clearly decided to achieve fruitful result. Here, the purpose index number measure and should be clearly decided to achieve the proper and the fruitful result. The second point, construction method of index number is selection of the base year. Base year is also called as a reference year. It is the year against which comparison are made. The base year should be normal, that is, it should be free from the natural calamities. It should not be too distant in the past. Means the second construction point of the index number is the selection of base year. The base year so called as the reference year, and when the time of select of the base year, that time here main point and indication of when you select the base year, that time the year is normal. It should not be free, it should be free from the natural calamities. It should not be too distant in the past. So the base year explain the comparison of the years. So here when the time of select of the base year, that time it should be normal and free from the natural calamities year, and it should not be too distant in the past. Third point, selection of units. It is necessary to select a sample of the number of units to be included in the construction of particular index number. Means here it is necessary to select a economic variable or sample included in the construction of particular index number. For example, in the construction of price index number, it is impossible to include each and every commodity. The commodities to be selected should represent the taste, habits and customs of the peoples. Besides this, only standardized or the graded units should be included to give better result. Means here I explain the construction of the index number. The selection of unit is the necessary. Select a sample. It included instruction and the particular index number. And when the time of you select the unit, that time here mention like the price index number, it is impossible to give the include the each and every commodity. So here the main point of view, when the time of selection of the variables, that time here main represent about the taste, habits, customs of the people. Beside this only the standardized or the graded units and should be included to give better result. Means here when the time of the selection of the units, that time impossible thing is not here included the each and every commodity price. So that time use the only the selection of the taste, habits, customs of the people. Number fourth point is the selection of price quotation. The price of the selected commodities may vary from the place to place and shop to shop in the same market. So means selection of the price quotation. Sometimes the price of the selected commodities, they may vary from the place to place and the shop to shop in the same of the market. Therefore, it is desirable that price quotation should be obtained from an unbiased price reporting agencies. So, achieve accuracy, proper selection of representative places and persons is required. Is price selection of the price quotation, that time here the main requirement of the great accuracy, achievements of the goals, then proper selection of representative places as well as the persons also. Number fifth point is the choice of suitable average. The construction of index number requires choice of a suitable average. Generally, arithmetic mean is used the construction of index number because it is a simple to compute the compared to other averages. Here, the choice suitable average, the construction method when the time of use of the construction of index number use, that time requirement of the choice of the suitable averages. So generally use here the arithmetic mean for the construction of index number because it is a simple to compute the compare to other averages. Number 6 point, assigning proper weight. The weights refer to the relative importance of the different units in the construction of an index number. The weights are of two types, that is the quantity weight and the value weights. Here mention P multiplied by Q. P for the price weight and means the value weight and Q for the quantity weight. Since all units are not of equal importance, by assigning specific weights, better result can be achieved. Means the construction of index number, the 6 point explain here the assigning proper weight. Here you not give the equal weightage of the all the variables. Here the selection of the units and then give the weight and important of particular variable. So here use the weight for refers to the relative importance of the different units in the construction index number. The weight are two types, the quantity weight and value weight, means price and the quantity, and all units are not of equal importance. By assigning specific weight, better result can be achieved. Number 7 point, selection of appropriate formula. The various formulas are devised for the construction of the index number. Choice of a suitable formula depends upon the purpose of index number and availability of the data. Means the construction of index number, they also use the appropriate formula when the time of the measures of the economic variable, and they use the index number. That time when the time of you can select the data and the use the different type of the formulas of index number. So the formula depends upon the availability of data and the specific purposeful of the data. So here mention the different type of the formulas of index number, but it is depends upon the purpose of the index number and the availability of the data. So students, here complete the 7 points of constructions of the index number. Purpose of index number: selection of the base year, selection of units, then the selection of price quotation, then choice of a suitable average, assigning proper weight, and selection of and the appropriate formulas. Then next lecture we will start the different type of the methods of constructing of index number. Thank you students.